Starting a business sounds exciting, right? But what if I told you that most startups don't make it past their first year? What if the secret to success isn't just money or passion? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're revealing 10 shocking facts about starting a business that nobody tells you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more business insights, and let's dive in. Fact number 1, 90% of startups fail, but here's how to avoid it. Reality check: studies show that 90% of startups fail, and about 50% don't even last 5 years. The number 1 reason: lack of market demand, not bad ideas. Solution: before jumping in, research your market. Who needs your product? What problem does it solve? If you can't answer this, your business is in trouble before it starts. Fact number 2, you don't need a lot of money to start. Many believe you need huge investments to start a business, but guess what? Some of the biggest companies, Apple, Amazon, and Google, started in garages. Smart entrepreneurs start lean. Use free tools like Canva, Notion, and Google Docs. Start with a simple website or social media page. Sell services or digital products to build capital before scaling. Fact number 3, passion alone won't make you rich. You've probably heard, follow your passion, and the money will come. Wrong. If your passion doesn't solve a problem or create value, it won't sell. Example, someone passionate about art might struggle to make money. But if they create custom digital illustrations for brands, now they're in business. Passion plus market demand equals business success. Fact number 4, the first few years are the hardest. Most businesses don't make profits in their first 2 to 3 years. You'll work long hours, face failures, and rethink everything. Why? You need time to build your brand and customer base. Marketing and operations take trial and error. Cash flow problems happen often. Survival tip: keep expenses low, diversify income sources, and stay consistent. Fact number 5, marketing is more important than your product. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it's useless. That's why marketing is everything. Smart marketing strategies: SEO and social media get organic traffic. Paid ads gives quick exposure. Influencer collaborations gain trust faster. Example, ever wonder why some bad products go viral? It's because they nailed marketing. If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Comment below, what business idea are you working on? Let's discuss. Fact number 6, networking is more powerful than you think. Your network is your net worth. The right connections can fund your business, bring customers, or even mentor you. How to build a strong network: join Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and local events. Connect with other entrepreneurs. Don't be afraid to reach out to mentors. Example, Elon Musk made PayPal huge because of his network, not just his skills. Fact number 7, a business without an online presence is doomed. In today's world, if your business isn't online, it doesn't exist. Even brick-and-mortar businesses need an online presence. Must-haves: a website or landing page, Google My Business listing, active social media Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Fact number 8, customer feedback is more valuable than investors. Your customers are your best business advisors. Listening to feedback can save your business from failure. How to collect feedback: read customer reviews and comments. Ask for suggestions on social media. Offer surveys and polls. Example: Netflix changed its entire business model based on user feedback. Fact number 9, businesses that don't adapt die. Blockbuster, Nokia, and MySpace failed because they didn't adapt. The business world changes fast. If you're not evolving, you're falling behind. How to stay ahead: watch trends in your industry. Be open to pivoting if needed. Keep learning and upgrading skills. Fact number 10, done is better than perfect. Many businesses fail because they never launch. People spend years planning, but never start. Don't fall into this trap. Business success is about taking action, testing ideas, and improving as you go. Starting small, learning from mistakes, and scaling up. So, if you're thinking of starting a business, stop waiting and just do it. Starting a business is tough, but the rewards are worth it. Now that you know the truth about entrepreneurship, are you ready to take the leap? Subscribe for more business and money-making tips. See you in the next video.